Good evening, viewers. Good to see you again. Now, you may not be aware, but in early September, while exotic creatures usually head off to the urban wilderness and away from their convivial summer habitats, one very special creature surfaces on university campuses, threatening their frail ecosystems. Scientists call this peculiar creature the Freshman. But who is the Freshman? Where does it come from? What is its character? This documentary will attempt to answer these intriguing questions and analyze the early stages of the Freshman's evolution. The Freshmen are most commonly brought to Earth from the planet High School. In the early days of September, UFOs crash into the Earth's surface, causing the premature death of most of the infant freshmen. Only the strongest ones survive. They are then released onto the Earth's surface, usually in groups of 3. Genuinely confused with their new environment, the infant freshmen immediately rip off the clothing they've inherited from the maternal UFO. The metallic covers cannot handle the pressure from the Earth's gravity. Once they establish themselves in the university habitat, the freshmen develop feeding instincts. They slowly begin to distinguish between inedible objects, like paper, golf balls, and rubber condoms, and edible ones, like tasty space cookies. Nevertheless, this is not the case with all freshmen. Notice how, for some of them, the process of hunting for food incites violent behavior and the intimidation of fellow freshmen. The most common problem that early freshmen face relates to their confused sexual behavior. As you might notice from this footage, they sexually assault anything that possesses the basic elements of the female anatomy. As members of the same kin, the freshmen are very protective of each other. Notice, for example, how they sleep. It's a common feature of freshman groups to always leave a sentry against potential assaults from other freshman tribes. In the latter stages of their evolution, freshmen begin to emancipate intellectually. But yet again, not all of them follow the same patterns of evolution. In this footage, notice how one of them still hasn't comprehended the purpose of books. An intriguing story indeed, as I'm sure you will agree. Join us on the program again next week. Then we will discuss the process of the freshman's sophomorification. Until then, goodbye and enjoy more honors.